You know, every time I turn on this camera, I just feel like a totally different bitch. Like, I feel like that bitch when I turn on my camera. Hey guys, so I'm back once again. This time, y'all, this is the time where I'm gonna stick, because literally I have been missing filming so freaking much. Literally, I've been getting so many DMs, so many comments on my Instagram posts to film a tutorial. My friends are like, film a tutorial. Now I want to film my everyday like makeup routine, or like when I want to do like more of just like kind of, I'm actually doing something to my face, but I'm not really doing like full-blown like looking, but it's like a little bit of eyeliner. It's something that I wear to school like when I just want to, you know, look cute but like not do anything extra. So yeah, I'm in a different location. I live with my parents now. I decided to move back with my parents because last year I was living in the city near my school, and I was living in a really shitty apartment. I know it didn't look that way, but it was really shitty. I've been just like in a whirlwind of ending high school, getting in like a full-blown ass relationship, starting college, being in a shitty apartment, getting used to college. Like, I tried to film, as you guys saw like 8 or 9 months ago, like a couple of videos, but literally first semester I got a 2.6. I literally did terrible. Like, I was just not focused on the right things. I was focused on partying, my boyfriend, like friends, whatever. But I've been really missing filming, and like I really wanted to film my makeup looks. Like, I keep on posting like little snippets or like sneak peeks of looks that I've done, because every so often when I go out, like I always try to do a full-blown look. But like, I'm just so nervous. Like when I film, I'm just like, oh no, it's not gonna turn out right. Like, I'm gonna film this whole thing and waste my time. I'm supposed to be going to the aquarium with my friend at freaking 4. It's 3:26 or 3:23. I'm gonna do my everyday look, because, but with like foundation instead of concealer, because I want to just show you guys what I wear to college, or what I wear like on an everyday basis. I'm going out or going to school or whatever. Something cute, something you guys might like. So before I show you these products, I'm gonna do my skincare, because I forgot. I just took a shower, put my wig on, and I didn't do my skincare. So the first thing I'm gonna do that has literally saved my life, y'all, witch hazel. Witch hazel is so good for your skin. I just can't even, like, toner, I don't know where or what I was doing before not wearing toner. Like in 6th grade, I remember trying out toner because I was like, oh, like my skin's so bad, like I need toner right now. And my skin was like, I was literally a baby. Whenever I get a pimple or whatever, my face breaks out, this is like the first thing I go to, because it just kills or just dries them out. Gonna put on a little Pond's. This is my favorite and only moisturizer I've been using for years. Literally, I love it so much. It's cotton. So look, I got this, okay? You know, listen, $39 for all of these colors, y'all. Like, I'm sorry, I fell for it. James Charles, you got me. But I just had to get this. Like, literally, I just like, in Ulta, there's there. I want to film so many tutorial or so many makeup looks, but I don't have any palettes, because when we moved here, I lost a ton of my makeup, so I had to just cop like a big ass palette that has so many colors. I also got the Juvia's Place palette, because I literally love this brand so much. Like, literally, this is the prettiest freaking palette that I've ever seen. It has so many just different shades, and literally I found myself picking this up all the time. This is like one of my only palettes I really use. Or I'm not even using eyeshadows in this tutorial today, because it's just eyeliner, because it's just my everyday. But yeah, I just want to show you guys a couple of things I got. Okay, I think I want to do a voiceover, because honestly that's easier for me. Should I? No, I never do voiceover, so that's not gonna. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Becca highlighter. Oh my god. The Becca primer. It is the first light priming filter. I love this. This is my go-to primer. I haven't used another primer in years since I discovered this. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I'm a backwards ass bitch and I don't like doing any other face makeup before my eyebrows because it just doesn't make any sense to my like thoughts anymore. So basically the point of me saying all these different ideas for videos is for me to get you guys to tell me what you guys want to see, because like literally, what do you think you guys want to see from me other than tutorials, obviously, but like really I just want to know like specific tutorials. Homecoming is probably coming up for some of you guys in high school. Like I would love to give you guys some simple makeup tutorials, simple eye looks that you can do, because like honestly Sephora, MAC, all those like makeup artists are robbing you. Always try to go for your local makeup artist first, because literally I hooked bitches up in high school. Like I would do their makeup for like $25, use basically all my makeup to set their foundation and concealer, and I would really try my best to give them a bomb ass makeup look, because just like Sephora and MAC, like they don't really, I don't know, because I wasn't like a freaking makeup artist back in high school when I was doing people's makeup, but like I still felt like I had a better idea of what people wanted for their eye looks and like whatever, because like I understand, like if they show me a picture of what they wanted, I was like, okay, I understand, like I'll do my best. So I'm back, my brows are done. What I use for my brows is my holy grail, which is the Anastasia pomade. To carve them out, I use my MAC Sculpting Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. So now I'm going to be using a new foundation that I've at least not shown on this channel, which is the It Cosmetics foundation. This is literally my favorite foundation now. I know I was using the Fenty foundation for the longest, but this is like my new favorite. So yeah, this freaking foundation, I love it. Just love. Oh my god, I need more concealer. Fuck, I keep forgetting to buy some. So like as I said, last week was my birthday, but I actually got in a car accident on Saturday of last week. I've been experiencing a lot lately of just wanting to feel more grateful about the things I have and things that I have going for me, especially like YouTube. I put it on a back seat for the longest time because I just really didn't think I knew what I wanted. Like literally I had no clue what I'm just trying to do with my life. YouTube was the first thing that I ever wanted to do and have been doing, like just on my own, like my own hobby that I just picked up and learned when I was like however old, in 5th grade. First, my card gets full, so whatever I was saying, basically I was trying to finish what my thought of saying how I started off YouTube as a place for me to just talk and just have a place to put my hobbies, my enjoyments on. You know, I was so self-conscious last year when I tried to start back up on my YouTube channel of like how many views I'm gonna start getting. Like I gotta exceed the views that I was doing before, or I'm just like not improving, or it's not worth it, or whatever. And I was just getting so caught up in like the totally wrong things, because YouTube is a completely different platform now. Like it's just not the same when I started, which is just flabbergasted me. Like just looking at how many people are getting famous over things that, you know, people were already doing like so long ago. I'm just not focused on all of that. Like I just know that you guys want to see content. I want to post content because it's something that brings me joy, and it's honestly the only thing in life that I felt like, you know, I was just meant to do. I'm just showing you guys my concealer. I'm using the I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, if it wants to focus. And I've been recently using a new technique to put on my concealer or blend it out, because a beauty blender just makes it look really cakey and patchy, which I don't like. So I've been using this It Cosmetics brush. I really just like need to make content. Like everyone keeps asking me like, Chloe, make a video, Chloe, make a video. Like I'm like, Jesus, like I did not think people actually liked my videos as much, because I got made fun of it so much when I first started. This is just the Airspun powder, you know, non-dimensional bitch. I literally want a different setting powder because I kind of feel like this powder doesn't work the same. I just feel like this bitch that I'm going to the fucking aquarium with is gonna cancel. She's gonna be like, oh, like, I wanna get dick instead. So once I get my Santa Claus beard on, I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC Studio Sculpt Studio Fix powder, my Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just like draw that shit on. Like, this is the most inaccurate part of my makeup, and just the most like, just put shit on. Just do it. Just go for it. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Sephora face powder, again in color Neutral Mocha. It's just like, it's really light and it actually just stays on. Like, I was like, wow, this powder actually just wants to stay on. So after that, I'm just gonna go back in with the bronzer that I use just to. Wow. Oh, my battery's about to die. That's fine. I have a whole other one charging. I also go back in with that first like thin brush, and I'm gonna just go on my nose with that. Whatever is left, I don't even dip it back into this because usually I overdo it and it just looks like somebody punched me in the nose. So yeah, I'm just kind of, literally I'm not contouring my nose. Like, I'm just outlining the shape of my nose because it just decides to look very like flat when I just do all this powder. I'm just gonna do my blush because I just really feel like I look really just one color. I don't like just looking one color. Like, I love just a pop of pink. It shows up on the camera, I guess, but I don't see it in real life. Like, looking in the mirror and looking in the camera, I'm like, where? Alright, that is the face. So now we're gonna get closer and we're gonna do the eyeliner. And this is like just a very simple addition to your face makeup instead of just doing a plain just pop lashes on, because I used to do it all the time and I was just like, something's missing. Like, literally I hate just putting on lashes and not, you know, having just something else going on with the eyes. So I'm just going in with my Anastasia clear brow gel. You can go in with literally anything. I've gone in with Got to Be Blue on my eyebrows and just like mascara on, and it just helps stick up your eyebrow hairs so they're just not, you know, looking like they've been going through it. But I'm about to go in with these two eyeliners, probably the worst two eyeliners that I own, even though they're the only eyeliners that I own. I really was going to say this is the best eyeliner that I use, but then I remember how crusty it gets after a while, so I don't really recommend this white eyeliner. And also, this is the worst black eyeliner I've ever had because I got it from a random beauty supply store, and it's just like the thickest tip I've ever seen. Like, literally, I don't understand what kind of design you're supposed to do with this. I'm gonna go in and do my highlighter first, and then the Fenty Trophy Wife. I mean, every time I go anywhere, someone asks me what my highlighter is, I'm like, that Fenty. I just really just throw this on and hope for the best. I don't understand how I can even remotely do makeup at all because I can't even draw. Like, I can't even hold a pencil. My handwriting is probably the grossest thing you've ever seen, but somehow my makeup turns out decent. So first thing I do is start with this black eyeliner. You can use any black eyeliner. I recommend any other black eyeliner but this one. You get in your inner corner, and basically where your lash line starts in the front of your eye, your inner tear duct, you just want to trace out that part so you have like a thick kind of like cat eye thing going on, just to extend your eye, just to make it look more, you know. This one I really didn't try. Like, I really just like, was like, okay. So you, as you guys can see, just makes you look a little bit more like your eyes just look bigger. They just extend more out. Now I'm going to take the white and just emphasize that this whole thing. and just trace underneath the black. So there we go. And I just add that little extension just so it just blends up my eye. So now I'm gonna add some dots, some just other things going on, so we're not just like looking at, you know, one eyeliner thing going on. So I love adding dots right here because I hate doing bottom eyelashes like the mascara. I don't even like mascara. Like I barely put it on when I wear fake lashes. So I just do this to like add like a attention to the bottom of my eyelashes. Also, these are completely uneven. So yeah, that method didn't work, but we can pretend, like for some reason after a while, even though I know they're uneven, I just after a while can tell that they're not even uneven. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the white eyeliner, just add some decorative. Actually, I'm gonna do under the brows. It just kind of like, ooh, like pay attention to my brow bone, bitch. So this is where I'm at with the makeup. Cute, right? Also, shout out to me because I made this wig. I already know y'all know because if you follow me on Instagram, girl, you saw it. I'm going to do a tutorial next time I dye a wig. So that's also a video I want to do, and I just need y'all to leave video requests down below so I actually know what I want or what I should film, because I want to cater to you guys, but I also want to express myself, and expressing myself is sharing my beauty tips or whatever tips I have for you guys. So this is my everyday makeup. I'm about to pop on some lashes, so I'm gonna come back with those. So this is the finished look. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more Vaseline on my lid. Anyway, the lashes that I have on are from the beauty supply store, but they're 25 mm. So if y'all are looking for those long ass lashes that people are trying to sell for $30 on there, you know, they're at the beauty supply store. They're at the beauty supply store for $5, $3, however much these were. These were like no more than $5, $5.99. And these are like my go-to. These are a different pair that I'm wearing right now, but this one is the, I don't even know what brand this is. Let you guys read that. Okay, so I have to wrap up this video because my camera's gonna die. But I just wanted to give a quick outro. Oh shit. I just want to give a quick outro. I straightened my hair, put on this dress. It's from Zara, if you guys were wondering. And I finished my makeup with the lashes like I was saying before I got cut off by my camera dying. But I just want to give an outro. Make sure you guys follow my social media links down below. Leave video requests down below. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Love me, all that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More to come. And I love you guys. Bye.